A Hebridean breeze, a Hebridean breeze blew from west to the east through Loch Abernow in peace. MacDonald was your name, MacDonald was your name, for Keelyaker was in your plan. Now you're sleeping with your clan. Listen to the king, you'd listen to the king, telling tales around the table as the rum begins to sing. And all who live must die, and all who live must die. So clap your hands and slap your thighs, for at least they were alive. A Hebridean breeze, a Hebridean breeze blew from west to the east through Loch Abernow in peace. MacDonald was your name, MacDonald was your name, for Keelyaker was your plan. Now you're sleeping with